Well, welcome to Wildgoose Adventures. It's been nearly 3 months, but today is D-Day. Time to go back in the water. The boat's on the travel lift and all ready to go. The sun is just coming up behind us and we're due to go out fairly soon. We are due to go back in the water on Tuesday. Today is Sunday. As you can see, Kent sent me some photos of them running the engine on Friday and gave me the go-ahead. So, super exciting time to finally get a date. All of a sudden I can go back in. Now what remains is the anti-foul. So I just wanted to record for posterity and show you for the last time all this 2 months of hard work and all of the work we've been doing is now going to get covered in anti-foul, and so it will probably never ever be seen like this again, which may be sad, but it's actually really cool. So here we go, gonna get this. And here we go, the first little bit of anti-foul is going to be applied. Now just to do the rest of the boat. And just like that, we're underway. And the door's open. The deep blue sea, plenty of adventures. Well, we're out. We are finally out and back in the deep blue. Time to go and anchor and then go off and do a few things, but it's so nice to be back in the water after all of this time. Well, what a difference. The Goose has never moved so fast under motor. I use the tide to leave port and head down to Midtown where I am now, and I have anchored here for the last little while, and I really appreciated the difference and all the new things that I can see having spent 10 weeks on the hard stand. The hard stand was dirty. It was this big open area. It was full of the sounds of grinding and welding and the forklifts running past, and they were kicking up dust. It was noisy, and it was really an industrial noise. Having got here, I can now appreciate with new ears and just with a new insight the hawks, the kites, the pelicans, the birds, the lorikeets even. What was once full of forklifts and people moving past is now got birds, there's pelicans. It is truly a beautiful ambience, and I'm really enjoying it and appreciating it with new eyes. Of course, there's going to be some new adventures and we're going to go off and do some things, but I really thought I should just stop and take a few deep breaths while I'm here. I'd really like to thank Kent and Ryan for helping me. They've been fantastic mechanics, and certainly they've done everything that I've asked and that we discussed before we even went up on the hard stand. It's said that you don't remember much about what people say, but you remember a lot and everything about how they treat you. Kent and Ryan have treated me with dignity, they've treated me with respect, they've kept me engaged with what's going on, and it's been a fantastic experience. If you've got any diesel work or mechanical or engineering work that needs to be done on your boat, and you're in Bundaberg, please give them a hand and give them a shout out, because they've been absolutely fantastic. That's it for this chapter of Wildgoose Adventures. Hope you've enjoyed the show and coming along for this launching ceremony. Really appreciate your support and you being around and helping me with this channel. We're going to have some more adventures soon, but in the meantime, smooth sailing.